So guys, make sure to like and subscribe my channel. And here we open the seal of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro mobile, and now let's take it out. And here is a phone. Now let's keep it aside, and there is a cover of the transparent cover inside of the box for your mobile protection. And here's the charging dock and the charging cable, and you can see, and let's keep it back. And now let's take out the phone, and now we will open the seal of the phone and start it up and boot it. As you can see, as this is our phone, we will take out the seal real quick, and here we go. The seal is out. Oh my god, the glass panel looks pretty good, of blue color, black and blue shine, and you can see it's pretty good. And now let's open here you can see here's a notch, and now let's start it up. And here we go. Here's the Huawei powered by Android. I bought it for 72,000 with scheme of the Sennheiser headphones, which will, if you want to buy the phone, I will give you a link in description. It also has the wireless charging, and the glass panel is also good, and you can see power button is of red color, and you can see here's the you can see C-type port, and you will be see it will take a longer time to be its full review will be out soon, guys. And till then I am turning on a song for you. So guys, our phone is on, and it's saying welcome, and the notch is awesome, and the notch looks like iPhone X. Now let's skip everything, and now Google services we will skip and accept. And now let's boot up the phone, and oh my god, how it's looking. The first look of this phone is awesome, and you can see the phone, and here's the phone, and you can see. Let's check out the phone. Its full review will be out soon. For its full review, make sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for its full review. Here's the free cover that we get in the box. Now we will put on the cover on, and let's check out how is the cover. Here the cover is on. It also has its edges like the S7 edge and the S9. You can see here is the phone, and if you want, comment down if you want the full review, and press the notification bell to be notified. And you can see, now let's open the camera and click a picture. I will give you more pictures in the full review. Now I'm just showing you the one picture, and you can see, and it's good. And now let's close it, and you can see. So guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to